Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So far, if you have seen my previous video where I announced there is a new DJI FLY app version 1.4.12 for Android, well, I'm here to expand on that. So it actually seems that Android are not going to be just getting this update, there is actually going to be a big update for iOS as well. Now, this is going to have the exact same number and it should be launched today, the 8th of October. So what I want to do is bring you this very short video and just talk about exactly what is actually new. Really? Now, as it currently stands, DJI have not actually announced the release notes or changelogs, whichever you want to call them. However, I have actually been in touch with DJI and gladly I'm going to bring you them on this video. Now, prior to this, well, you can basically say I'm out on location because I'm going to be doing my app flight test with the DJI Mini 2. So please do tune in for that. That will be my next video after this one. But I wanted to bring you these changes in a separate video because, of course, they are relevant to iOS users as well. So what actually do we get then? Well, it looks like we're going to be getting this new feature in the transmission tab where you can possibly set up a live streaming server. That is going to be really, really exciting, and I'm sure many of you are actually going to really, really like this feature. Well, not only that, you also get the ability to see a cached video view if you are using Find My Drone. So, of course, if you are flying along and you have to potentially lose your drone or ditch your drone, it looks like you will be able to see a few seconds or, you know, a short little video preview of exactly where you was just before your drone ditched, hopefully in the attempts to be able to help you to find it. We also have added sort of improved bugs and fixes, etc, etc, and most importantly, support for Android 12. And when it comes to iOS, we have the two features I have just mentioned, only you also get support for iOS 15, which is of course the latest operating system. So yeah, really, really exciting. What I'm going to do is just going to leave these notes on screen for you now, so you can have a little look for yourself. But ultimately, you know, I think these are quite exciting updates. Now, as I say, I'm just going to do a quick flight test with the DJI Mini 2 and just see how it gets on. But yeah, please do let me know what you think in the comment section below, and please do again give this video a thumbs up purely because it helps YouTube recommend it to more people that might be interested. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.